Hey guys, welcome back to Husband and Wife Outdoor Life. Ashley and Matt here, and today we are gonna go ice fishing. Woo! We're about to go check the lake for the first time this year and hopefully catch our first fish of 2020. So stay tuned.
Hopefully it's a walleye.
Hopefully it's a walleye.
Step one in preparation. Yeah, right now it's about 33. It's 1 to 3 inches of snow last night, so a little bit of slush, but I think the ice is pretty good. They're here.
Well, we just got set up. Took a little while. The first time every year always takes the longest. So as you can tell, we have a new shanty this year. Dad and I went 50-50 on a brand new Eskimo shanty, so this one gives us a little bit more room. It's a little nicer for filming too. Behind us I have a tip-up set up, so
Nothing yet.
No flag yet, but Matt said we've marked a couple fish on the fish finder while I was setting up the tip up, so hopefully we can entice one of them to bite. We'll see here. Stay tuned. Smells like fish in here already, but it's the minnows.
It's the minnows. It's okay, we can claim victory. There are technically fish in a bucket, and it does smell like fish.
That's the fish we're looking for.
There were those super big minnows at the bait shop.
Yeah.
I don't know what monstrosity you meant to catch with those.
Pike.
Pike, sturgeons. Do they have muskies in here?
They do, muskie and northern pike.
That'd be neat. Kind of neat animal or fun.
Man, I'd love to see that flag go up.
Oh, to actually see it, not just...
Yeah.
We're marking a couple. Like one every 5-10 minutes. We'll get a school at some point. This is one of the boating hotspots, isn't it?
Yeah. I fish this lake a lot in the summertime, but not really in the winter, so it's kind of a shot in the dark right now. Just guessing based off of what's good in the summertime.
But it's a weekend and we're outdoors and we're not at work, so life could be worse.
Yeah, we're pretty happy about just being outside. Whether or not we catch fish, we got to test out the new shanty. You guys saw the new auger. What else?
Spend time with each other.
Yeah, you know, the whole husband and wife thing.
But who knows, even if it's not the golden hour, the best fishing we've ever had was what, like 1 in the afternoon?
When?
When we went on my birthday last year.
Oh, well, that's a bluegill lake. Bluegill don't care. Walleye are more of like an early morning, late night bite, but this lake is 2 hours and 10 minutes from our house. So between that and working yesterday and getting all this stuff organized in like a 45-minute period, we got here on the lake probably 8:30. Yeah.
I'm just making fun of all
Come on, flag, go up.
autocorrect.
I just wanted to go up so bad. One little tiny fish, I don't care. I guess I can show the camera what we're using while we're still recording. I don't even know if that's gonna focus on it, but that's a dinner bell spoon, little treble hook and a minnow on there. And Matt's just, oh, you got some weeds on there, bro.
Bro, I've been way down here. And I got a wax worm and
a little tungsten jig.
yeah, that thing.
Show it closer to the camera. There's no way they saw that.
A tungsten jig is what she says.
Don't the lens.
I call it the little green thingy, cause you know.
It's the same jig he was catching all his bluegills on last year in his first ice fishing video ever. So go check that out. I'll link it above. Come on, Flaggy.
Oh, something was flipping.
That was me, I think.
No, yours is like it spazzes out.
Mine is a bigger mark because
Yes.
it has the minnow and the thing on it.
This was a tiny thing.
On the tip up, I put a minnow tipped on a Euro Tackle Z Viber, and it's the purpley one, like purple and gold. My dad gave it to me as a gift right before this little trip, so we're gonna test out his theory and see if it works. But it's got like a little rattle in it, I think, and I might have just got a bite.
I saw a bubble, so there might be living creatures down there.
I think I just got a bite. Or I just hit the ice or something.
I saw a bubble on mine. I got excited.
This is our tip up setup. It's the iFish Pro. Like I was saying, it's got the Z Viber on it and a minnow, so we'll see what that brings in. Hopefully something. I'd love to see it go up. This is what we're dealing with, like 4 to 6 inches of slush on top of the ice. So we shut the door on the shanty. It finally got cool enough in here where we shut the door, and we discovered that we can actually see the bottom of the lake from here. So it's a little bit mucky bottom here. There's maybe a weed or two, nothing too crazy. And we saw a tiny little perch swim through. Unfortunately, we couldn't entice him to bite. And a few minutes later, Matt's like, hey, I see a fish. And I'm thinking he sees another perch, so I kind of ignored him, being honest here. And he's like, no, it's a freaking dinosaur. And I was like, okay, I'll look. And I turn and I look, and through the first 2 holes here is a gigantic sturgeon. I'm not even kidding you. There are sturgeon in this lake. It's the 3rd one I've seen in my whole lifetime in this lake, but it was humongous, and it swam across all 3 of our holes. And unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, so none of you are gonna believe us, but it was a huge freaking dinosaur of a fish, and Matt spotted it.
Yep.
So.
Which was fun, but spoilers, it wanted nothing to do with my tiny little wax worm and green tungsten jig.
Yeah, honestly, we couldn't have got it through the hole anyway, so I'm kind of glad it didn't bite. But that was probably the coolest thing I've seen in a long time, and especially the coolest thing ice fishing for sure. So switching up my bait a little bit because I haven't had much luck. I'm switching over to something with a rattle in it. It's a little like jig and rattle. Euro Tackle Z Viber, I think, again. Nothing on the tip up. I just went and checked it. It's still got a minnow. We're dealing with a lot of slush in here, so there's no floor in this shanty. It's a little different than our other one, where you didn't have like slush and water coming up because you had a wood floor. So this one's a little bit different.
Have good boots.
Yeah, it makes it lighter, but you definitely want some rubber boots. But
And you can see I'm staring straight down because I can see the bottom. I'm looking for more sturgeon or tiny perch.
we actually turned the Vexler off. We don't need it if we can actually see the fish. So I turned that off, and we're just gonna keep an eye down the holes and see what we see, and hopefully we can get the camera on it this time. Still nothing on the tip up. There's quite a few shanties out here, so
people having fun.
A good sign, or if it's just a nice Saturday to be out.
Yeah, here's the secret. It's about getting outdoors and just having fun and breaking up the monotony of adult life.
Yeah. I don't even know if we'll catch a fish today, but it was worth it.
But we saw a dinosaur.
Yeah, it was
Godzilla's
worth it.
real.
See how clear it is? You can see my minnow down there. There, I'm on the bottom right there. Pretty clear water today. It's crazy. Well, unfortunately we didn't catch any fish, but seeing that sturgeon was probably the coolest thing I've seen in a long time. So thanks so much for watching. Sorry for the short video and the skunked on fish, but we're pretty happy to just be outside. So stay tuned for our next adventure. Make sure you get outside sometime this winter too. Say bye, Matt.
Bye, Matt.
Best parts about ice fishing. The hot meal after.